Okay, we got a wild boar kit here. And this looks like that is going to be the passenger side. You can kind of see the angles there, how it goes in. Boats, spacers, driver's side. Instructions. Blah blah blah. So you need this 13mm socket. Let's get in here. Bust this loose. Yeah. Boom. So here we have the driver's side. Kind of see it goes at an angle like this. And we're going to have a short and a long. So we'll see which one goes where. Okay, then we have these. Here's the shorts. These will probably go vertically. The short boat. Round part goes on here. Part goes in here. So 6mm Allen head. Okay, just get started a little bit. Take the top one. Now tighten them down. I think it's like 25 foot-pounds. This is going to be for fill. Yeah. Okay. Okay, kind of see the angle that one one's at. So you have to match your boats. It's tricky to match them in there. Just take your time, don't strip them. I wonder why that's not facing the other way. There we go. There we go. I feel like that was facing the wrong way. All right, we got them fully installed. Looks good. Looks awesome.